What is going on? James from Act Audio, and we just wrapped up this beautiful 16 Road Glide. We did the new Diamond radio. We did the Hertz 6x9 Neos in the rear and the Diamond MP652s in the front. So 2 ohm speakers in the front with the horns, 4 ohm 6x9s in the rear off the Diamond radio, and we did a Euphoria amp, which puts out, it's rated at 400, but from my understanding, it puts out a little less than that. So the other thing is the customer wanted a tour pack installed. So we got him this one here and we installed it. Really nice tour pack with the luggage rack. So back to the audio, we have the Hertz SX69 Neos with the cut-in kits. They're really different from most cut-in kits. They got this unique little, I don't know what you want to call it, on the side. Cool design. So we did that on both sides. In the bag, he does not want this secured because he likes to pull it out, so we left it loose intentionally. But you can see we routed the wires cleanly and it goes right up to the speaker. And then up front, we have the Diamond MP652s with the horns and the new Diamond radio. So in the Euphoria amp, which it's all closed up so we can't show you, but this thing cranks for a 4-speaker setup. It is loud and it is crisp. A setup like this we would consider our stage 2, kind of a more practical basic setup. It's loud, it cranks, but you don't lose space. Everything's in the fairing. We're using the Neo speakers in the bag so that you're losing very little space from the magnets. So real practical system that is loud and clear for someone that rides a lot. This bike's gonna be around. It's a good customer of ours, so we can always demo it. We got a couple here that we can show you as well. So feel free to stop in if you're in the area and check them out. Thanks for watching.